You only call me on the weekend when you're riding about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome and hello. I'm Shell. So today's video, I have a package from Madam Glam. They were kind enough to send me over a few of the polishes that they have available on their website. They just told me to go in and pick 4 colors, so that's what I did. I just picked 4 random colors. So if you guys are interested in seeing these colors, I'm going to swatch them, so make sure you stay tuned, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so let's just go ahead and take these out. Okay, so I'm sure you guys are all familiar with Madam Glam by now, but if you're not, we're going to go ahead and briefly just give you an overview that Madam Glam polishes, gel polishes, are vegan, they're cruelty-free, they're palm oil-free, they have a 21-free formula, and they're HEMA-free. So if you guys are allergic, if anyone is allergic to HEMA, they do not use that in their gel polishes, so you shouldn't have to worry about that, have an allergic reaction. So these are the 4 colors that I chose. I wanted to go with something that was for this season. Also, I'm trying to build up my browns and tan colors because I realize I don't have a lot of those colors. I actually purchased quite a few polishes from them. If you guys have been watching any of my videos, you'll see that I did do a haul over the last maybe 3 or 4 videos, and I've been purchasing a lot of their gel polishes lately. Like I said, I needed to up my brown collection because I noticed I didn't have a lot. Plus, I am a VIP member on their website, so if you guys have not subscribed to that and you're interested in purchasing, that's a great option. And what that does is your money will build up and you can go in and use your credit to purchase items whenever you're ready. So I like to let mine build up and then I'll go in and then I'll purchase. If not, you can always use a discount code. I'll have a discount code for you guys down in the description below, so make sure you check that out. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So the first color I have is Treasure. And it's, I don't know if it's like a mauve color. Really pretty. It has definitely has glitter in it, as you can tell. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and swatch that as I'm showing you guys. I love Madam Glam because their polishes go on really well. I love their formula. That color looks like pretty color, definitely great for the fall. And then the next one we have kind of the same concept, but this one has more of a pinker undertone, almost like a rosy pink. Really pretty. Then the next color I don't know, some of my swatch sticks are, I don't know if you can see that, it has a little crack. Some of them have a longer crack than that, which is weird, but it is what it is, right? This is a nice flesh tone color. A great color for nail art. It's a great neutral. And then the last color really pretty brown. Okay guys, so here are all 4 colors. These colors are gorgeous and great for the fall. I did do a second coat off camera, and I also applied a Madam Glam's no wipe top coat on top. I have everything linked down below, so make sure you guys always check down in the description box. I also have a discount code for you guys so you can save yourself some money. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.